Hi, I'm Nitin and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be explaining how to reverse a given string, and we will be doing this using Java programming language. In today's session, before jumping into the coding part, I would like to explain the logic first. So here is our whiteboard. Let's say the string is welcome, WELCOME. So this is our string, and after reversing this string we'll get EMOCLEW. So here is our new string EMOCLEW. This is our new string. So for doing this, what we need here, we need concatenation function, so to add each character with each other so that we'll get this new string. And we need also what is the size of the string. The size is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 characters are present, so the size is 7, or length of the string is 7. And we need a for loop to start from here and will come up to here. This is nothing but your sixth index. In string, the first index is 0. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we'll come from this part to this part, and will each step will be concatenating each character. Okay, so let's come to the coding part. Let's declare a string s equal to welcome, int then equal to s dot length. So I have declared a string here welcome, and I want the size of the string using the length function, and this size will be stored here. So what is the size here? 7. This will be stored in length variable. Now I will declare a empty string rev equal to empty string. This is your empty string. Now I will use a for loop. For int I equal to len minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, rev equal to rev plus char at I, sorry, s dot char at I. Outside this loop I will print don't worry, I will explain this properly again. So here I have declared a string that is welcome. Now I want the size of the string, that is nothing but 7. Again I have declared an empty string, so that is rev. At this point I told you already that I need to come from here to here. So this is my sixth index. I will come from this point to this point. So like that, I equal to len minus 1. What is len? Len is 7. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. And 6 greater than equal to 0. Condition is true. So I will come here. Rev equal to rev plus s dot char at I. So rev is now empty. Now s dot char at I. What is the value of I? I is 6. So what this part will return? This part will return that index character. Okay, that means suppose my string is this sixth. What is my sixth index character? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E. This will return E. So now REV contains E. Now this will get decremented. I value will become 5. 5 greater than equal to 0. Condition is true. Now REV equal to REV plus caret 5. What is my fifth index value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this will store M. Now E is now concatenated with M. Again 5 will get decremented here. 5 now become 4. 4 is now greater than equal to 0. Condition is true. It will again concatenated with fourth index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So O will come here. Now 4 will get decremented. I value will become 3. 3 greater than equal to 0. True. Then again, what is my third index value? 0, 1, 2, 3. C. C came here. Now again 3 will get decremented to 2. I value is 2. 2 greater than equal to 0. So it will come again here. 0, 1, 2. Second index value is L. Here again I will get decremented to 1. I equal to 1. 1 greater than equal to 0. It will come here. What is first index value? 0, 1, E. Now 1 is now decremented to 0. I equal to 0. 0 greater than equal to 0. Condition true. REV equal to REV plus caret I. So 0 index value is W now. Here after decrementing 0 again we'll get what? Minus 1. Sorry, minus 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 0. So our loop will break. We'll come out of this loop and this will print this message. Reverse of the string REV. Let's execute this. Here you are getting message. This is your original string. Welcome. This is your new string after reversing this. Okay. So hope you have enjoyed this session, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and give your valuable comments. So see you in the next session. Thank you.